Annotated sequence submission. Annotated sequence submission is linked with a study registered. The sequence type to be registered is associated with a checklist. The parameters in the checklists will help in annotating the sequence with metadata. The registered sequence is associated with a single organism. There are different types of sequence groups to choose from. Users can select only one type of sequence per instance of registration. Here we select the single CDS-mRNA checklist. Once the checklist is selected, a page with sequence field groups will appear, and the groups with mandatory fields will be selected by default. If the user wants to add more details to the sequence, other optional fields can be selected by ticking the box. Once all the fields are finalized, the user has to click on the Next button. On the sequence registration page, the first step is to select the study to which the sequence has to be mapped. Other mandatory basic details have to be filled in, and organism details, the correct spelling of the organism's scientific name as per NCBI taxonomy has to be given, and the button to find taxon ID has to be clicked. The taxon will be autofilled if the scientific name is correct. The fields can be filled or selected from the drop-down based on their type. Hovering over the question mark icon with a question mark will show the description of fields. Once all the details are given in the correct format, sequence details can be saved, and on the next page, the sequence FASTA file with the same name as given should be uploaded. Once the file is uploaded, a success message is displayed with INDA ID and other submission details. The INDA ID will be provided after validation.